5 essential steps to take before selling your business. 1, you need to know your numbers. You need to go through your books, make sure that they're clean, and that you have a good estimate of your bottom line cash flow. And you're going to get that bottom line cash flow by recasting your financials. And what recasting means is we're going to go and we're going to take your bottom line net income. We're going to add non-cash expenses like amortization and depreciation. And then we're also going to add back anything that you received as a benefit. So if you had a company car or a company cell phone, or if you did some personal travel that the business paid for, you're going to add back all those perks that you received as the owner of the business. And that's going to give you the recasted cash flow of the business. And now, depending on the quality of your books, you might need to go through a bookkeeping cleanup service to figure out what this number is. We'd recommend, if you don't think your books give a clear vision of the true cash earnings of your business, that you should go through that cleanup process either way, sale or no sale. Step 2, make sure that you can afford to sell your business. So the best place to see that is to use our retirement calculator on our website, Summit Succession, and see if the sale of your business is going to generate enough cash for you to maintain your lifestyle after the sale. It takes 10 to 20 minutes to fill out, depending on the state of your financials. The cleaner, the better handle you have on the bottom line cash flow of your business, the faster you can do it. Number 3, you need to plan for what you're gonna do next. You've spent so much time working in your business and your business has become part of you. What are you going to do after you sell the business? Are you going to travel? Are you gonna focus on charity? Are you gonna focus on family? You really wanna make sure that you have a good plan for life after the sale. Number 4, do your tax planning at the beginning of the process. There are almost 3 times as many tax saving strategies that you can do before your sale that you can do after. And especially if you're selling a very large business where you think you might have an estate tax problem. So you want to start thinking about taxes and consulting with your CPA right at the beginning before you start the sale process. And if your CPA doesn't have a lot of experience with business sales and tax planning, then we can help set you up with someone who does. Number 5, take interviewing business brokers or M&A advisors very seriously. They will be the first and primary impression of your business to your buyers. So you want to make sure that you have someone that's going to put together polished marketing materials, is going to act in a professional manner, and is going to show your company in the correct light, and that they understand accounting and cash flow, and that they understand the numbers that they're presenting for sale. Because if they don't, and if they're like the majority of advisors out there that just sloppily toss information out, that's a reflection on you. So even though that person's not one of your employees, it's someone that you hired, they represent your business. If they're sloppy, you're sloppy. So if you need help planning and getting ready to sell your business, check out the link in our bio and we can help.